This is our massive Calico Critters Sylvanian Families mansion, and unfortunately we need to take it down because we are reorganizing our Critterland. But don't worry, we're going to be putting up a lot more fun buildings just like this very soon, so stay tuned. Alright, it is all cleared out, and I put the two top buildings back just for so you can see how it looks completely empty. And I put all of the kitchen stuff in there, accessories. These are all the fashion items I gathered up just from the house, and then a couple things that I'm going to put in certain bags where I know they belong. These are from the shoe store. And look at all that furniture that was in that house. That's ridiculous. I cannot believe all of this furniture fit. That's crazy. All right, so now we are going to take the buildings apart. First, I'm going to put these pieces where they belong to make some room. The big mansion is gone. So look at all the buildings it took to create that. There's that department store piece, and town buildings, Red Roof Country Home, Cozy Cottage, Deluxe Celebration, Cozy Cottage, Elevator Home, and Sweet Raspberry. And a bunch of stairs and railings and floor plates. And all that furniture was stuffed in there. So there you have it. Bye-bye, Big Mansion. Thanks for watching. See you next time.